Racoon getting ready to go for a ride today. And take him away from the house. Let him go. Been in there all night. Ready to go for a ride? I'll let you go. That'll be okay, huh? Oh, you sound like a horse. You sound like a horse. Can you do that again? You sound like a horse. Ah. Ah. There you go. We'll get a saddle on you and ride you around. You like that? Want to go for a ride, huh? Huh? Look at him. He sounds like a horse.
Yep, he's saying hello, Brayton.
He did say hello, Brayton, didn't he?
He's saying hello to Daddy.
Yeah. I'm going to take him and let him take him to a different part of the jungle this morning.
He's saying it to you again.
Yeah.
Saying hello. He's saying hello, Daddy.
Yeah.